Okay, today we're going to talk about personalities. And again, this is your Exploring Careers class. So we're going to talk about who you are and what you can become with personality and learning styles. We're not going to talk about learning styles today, but we're going to focus in and talk about personality and specifically your personality. So, okay, so who are you? What can you become? We've already started talking about this a little bit because we've talked about your interests, we talked about your values, and we've talked about your attitudes. And just to review, interests are the things that you enjoy doing. It could be um, the people that you enjoy being with. It could be the things you like to do. It could be data. There's 4 different categories. So let's think about that. And then your attitude is the way you feel about something. And then your values are the things that you find important. So those things are all part of your personality. Your personality is what makes you who you are, what makes you unique. Do you have a unique quality, maybe, or something unique about your either your physical self or your personality that affects your personality? Um, it might be something that people like to discuss with you um, that creates your personality. So, and also, how do you think and learn best? Okay. What is it and why does it matter? Personality is the trait that makes a person unique. It makes you special. Every one of you are special. You have something special about you. You may not think so every day, but you should know that everyone is unique and everyone is different. I think you already know that. Okay. Personality can be categorized. That means we can put it into 4 different groups. So these are the important things I want you to know today. Personality can be categorized by your actions. That is actually, when you think action, think verb. What do you do? Are you helpful? Are you playful? Are you charming? Think about your physical um, not physical qualities, but physically the way you act. Do you walk around mad all the time? Do you fuss at people? Do you get angry quickly? You have a quick temper? Or are you generally happy, helpful, silly? Think about all those words that make you who you are, your feelings. Think about all those different emotions that we talk about. If you're not familiar with it, you can look on my Miss Littleton's counseling page, and there's a check-in sheet, and it lists all these different emotions that you may feel every day, and you may feel some differently every day. Okay, and your habits are the things that you do continually. Just like this says talk fast, y'all, I talk fast. I can't help it. I just get into the moment and I just talk fast. Maybe when you're nervous, maybe you put your hand to your face constantly, or you twirl your hair, or you rub your hands together, or you kind of, you've ever seen someone who kind of taps their leg or taps their foot if they're nervous? That's a habit. Nail biting is a habit. It's part of your personality. And also your thoughts. Those are not always things that other people see, but you know what they are. You know if you're a hopeful person or a positive person or a negative person. Think about your thoughts. Personality can be identified using personality assessments, which is like a little test. And when we come back face to face, whatever day that is, then we'll do some personality assessments to find out more about you. And we'll do those together and we can discuss them or not. But you definitely have personality because everyone is different. Okay. So then we can go into how do you learn best. Your personality determines how you learn best by reading, writing, doing, hearing. Do you work better alone or in groups? Do you work good with music or without music? Do you like to draw pictures and create a graph or a diagram to help you learn? Do you like to share with others? Do you like to work in a group? Those are ways that you learn best, and we could definitely add some things to that. Maybe you can think of your own ideas about how you learn best. So that is part of our lesson for today. You will likely have either a Google form or something that will go along with this, so I'll know that you listened to this Google slide or this video. I hope that you have a wonderful day.